This is kind of a dud, you guys. It's kind of a dud. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm doing the May Boxycharm Battle. If you want to see what I got in the standard box versus the premium box, then just hang out. Spoiler alert, it's not good. It's not gonna be great, guys. Okay, so in today's video, I'm comparing the standard Boxycharm offering to the premium Boxycharm offering in kind of a battle standoff to see which box is the better value for the buy-in. So each Boxycharm box is filled with full-size products, 5 products in the standard box and at least 6 in the premium box. The standard box is a 25-ish per month buy-in, and the premium box is about a $50 a month-ish buy-in, and let's just compare them kind of head to head. So let's start with the standard box. So in the standard box, the first offering is this GlamGlow Berryglow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask that retails for $49. So inside this magical, colorful concoction, I mean, it really just smells like berry yogurt, like Yoplait. You know what I'm saying? And that's about the texture of it as well. So there's beetroot inside and hibiscus flower. So the website describes these ingredients as helping to repair a damaged skin barrier, which you know I have, because I've been complaining about it for like 2 months now. So I've used this precisely one time. I don't know if it's the fragrance in it. I don't know if there's something in here. I did take a look at the ingredients list and I didn't see anything that was super wild, but I didn't experience any irritation at first. But the morning after I used this mask, my skin was kind of back to zero. And I had been working so hard for the past, whatever, 2 months to kind of repair my skin after that whole debacle. Click here to hear about it. So not super happy about that. I wonder if my skin is just vulnerable at this moment, that it's not really ready for this. Although it says it helps repair damaged skin barriers, so wouldn't right now be the best time to use this? And for $50, come on. Next, this is kind of fun. This is the Daily Concepts Shampoo Bar. It retails for $24. So this is a solid bar, like soap on a rope. Does anybody remember that? Soap on a rope, but this is shampoo and conditioning bar in one. It smells very green, very herbal. It smells like an organic market, you know what I mean? It smells very lavendery, woodsy almost. I actually really like it. It smells very natural. I love that it's on this little rope so you can just kind of hang it up so it doesn't sit in a soap dish and get gooey. You know what I'm saying? That's the worst. So I used this on my hair the last time that I shampooed it. Sorry, you can't tell because my hair is pulled back, my little George Washington sprout. So it does foam up very nicely. My hair felt squeaky clean afterwards. I did use a conditioner in addition to this because shampoo, conditioner in one is like that's not a thing. I have some scalp dryness. I'm not sure if it's caused by this or if it's just kind of something that also I'm going through with all this dry skin on my head. Would I pay $24 for this bar of soap? No, I would not. Although I am enjoying this so far. So, 0 for 2. Over 2. Okay, next is this Ayam Skincare Dead Sea Minerals Vitamin C Serum Makeup Wipes. This retails for $17, and in this package you get 25 towelettes. Let's open it up and see how big they are. So these towelettes are like standard size. Ooh, they're pretty soft. Got a nice little stretch to them. Ooh, they're very moist. That's the thing about some of these makeup remover wipes is that they're not moist enough. You know what I mean? So they end up tugging at your skin and being not so great. Okay, future me. I just used this makeup wipe to remove my makeup, and the good news is it doesn't burn. Sometimes whatever fragrance or whatever is in these wipes can irritate the skin, especially if it's feeling a little sensitive like mine is, and it does not burn. Even around my schnozola and right here on my chin has been especially upset with me. So that is good. Okay, all right, I see you. Future me approves. The makeup wipe is good. Okay, next. This is the Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Primer. It retails for $22. So I do quite like the way that it squeezes out kind of at a point so you can really control it. It feels a lot like Urban Decay priming potion. It's very grippy. I used it today with this eyeshadow and it provided a really nice moisturized base. The eyeshadow glided on very nicely and it's giving me a really good color payoff. I have used this eyeshadow palette that we'll get to later before without the eyeshadow primer and it didn't perform as well, so I'm actually pretty excited that this actually did something. And for $22, that's not terrible. That's not bad. That's about the going rate for an eyeshadow primer, right? I never use them, so I don't know. We'll give this a 1 for 3, 4, 1 for 4. Hang on, let's keep going. There's one more thing. There's one more thing. This is the Studio Makeup Easy. Wait, not easy. Wait, what? This is the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear palette for $35. You get 9 neutral shades. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes and 4 shimmers. Okay, I like this better when it was called the Naked Reloaded palette. Can I copy your homework but change it enough so it doesn't look like you copied? If you don't have this palette and you got this in your Boxycharm, I mean, it's the same color story. You're missing a couple of the shadows, but not enough to like cry about it. I'm not gonna swatch this because I already have this. So I'm gonna rehome this or hold on to it for a giveaway. I do quite like this color story. I mean, you can't beat natural. There's a reason that I bought the Naked Reloaded palette, so. Would I pay $35 for this? No way. I've never even heard of this brand before. Studio Makeup. What's that? And what's ease to wear? Don't they mean easy to wear? I mean, that's the May standard Boxycharm box, and I gotta tell you, that is a dud. That's a dud. Wow. The box that I got is not going to Hollywood. You want to redeem this terrible Boxycharm box? Oh, you're so precious. Why do you always act like I'm murdering you? Like it's a firing squad. There's definitely fur stuck to my face. Great. So the total value of the Boxycharm standard offering is $147 and it's a $25 buy-in. But would I have paid $25 for all of these things that the only thing I'm gonna use is this? That's worth $22? No. By default, I mean, I guess the other box is gonna win unless that one is worse. Let's see. So moving on to the Boxycharm Premium offering this month, the first thing I want to talk about is this is the PureHeals Centella 90 Ampoule. This retails for $28. The active ingredient, or the main ingredient, 90% of what's inside of this is tiger grass. So it's called tiger grass because in Asia, where tigers come from, there's a plant that grows there that's, you know, whatever this is called, Centella asiatica complex. It heals, right? There's some kind of property in that plant that heals, and tigers, when they have wounds from cuts or scrapes or scratches and whatnot, would lay on this grass, rub around in it, and it would get into their wounds and help them to heal. So if it works for tigers, it works for me. This came right on time, you guys. This stuff, as soon as I opened it, I put it on my skin and my skin was like noticeably better. And since I reactivated all of the trouble with my face using that GlamGlow mask, this is helping to get my skin to recover faster. So hopefully it's not gonna take 2 months to heal my skin again. You just press it into clean skin as the, you know, first step of the day or one of the last steps at night, just to help rehydrate my terrible upset skin. I love this. So already $28, I would have paid more for this. Love it. All right, next is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. This retails for $66. So I looked into these ingredients to see if, you know, what's so great about this. Well, the main ingredient is water, which is good. The next ingredient comes from coconut and it's an emollient, so it's gonna make it nice and creamy and spread nicely on the skin. And then the next ingredient that's like the active is, I'm not gonna try to say it, but it's a moisturizer. So it's the portion of plant oil that's not broken down in the refining process. I've been using it around my eyes. You know, eye creams, they do what they say. They make the fine lines appear less prominent and they make your under eyes less crepey, crackly, dry, and papery. It's good. It's good. There's no fragrance. It goes on nicely. Makeup lays well over it. I can't complain. Would I pay $66 for this? I'm not so sure because I'm a cheap and I just feel like regular moisturizer seems to do the trick, but it's not bad. It's not bad. Would I have bought this? No, probably not. Next is the Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. This retails for $12. This is a lip balm. It's a lip balm, it's nice, it smells like angel food cake, feels really hydrating on the lips, and this packaging is adorable. I mean, look at this. It's called Best Bud because it looks like a flower bud. Precious. This color is called Peony. It just seems kind of clear. I don't know that it really had a lot of pigment, but I like this, and for $12, this is nice. This is something that you could just kind of keep in your bag, take one to the office whenever we go back to our offices. So this is good. I like. 2 out of 3. Not bad. Next up is the Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek in the color Flare. This retails for $15, which I don't understand why. This thing is tiny. It says it's a sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint. I have used this today. It glides on the lips. It looks really cute. It's a cute, you know, pinky corally situation. It is very sheer. I used it on my cheeks today, and the oil has got it really glowing, so it looks very hydrating and nice. It doesn't feel super duper slick. That was kind of the vibe that I was going for today, was just like fresh faced. So it is very sheer, so if you want a lot of pigment, you're either gonna have to build this up a lot, which is just gonna mean there's gonna be a lot of oil on your cheek, or if you're looking for something that's maybe a little bit more sheer, this is gonna be the way to go. I like this. This is gonna be really good for like no makeup looks. It's good. Would I have purchased this for $15? I mean, maybe not, but I do like it as a lip balm, and I like the container. So, it's kind of the same as I feel about this eye cream. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's performing, it's doing what it's saying that it's doing, but would I have chosen it? Maybe not, but I don't dislike it. Next up, this is the Kat Von D 24-Hour Super Brow in dark brown for $20. Oh, what's that? Kat Von D? I didn't know that was a brand anymore. Didn't they tell us it's KVD Vegan Beauty now? That straight up says, look at it. It says Kat Von motherfucking D. Do they just have extra stuff they're trying to get rid of? Boxycharm, stop it. Also, I can't use this color because I don't have dark brown eyebrows. So this is gonna have to get rehomed. Not because I don't think it's a great product. It's probably really good. Can't use it, so that's a no. But I am squinting at you, Boxycharm. This is not a brand anymore. This is very clearly old. Boo. Boo hiss. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of those 5 products, I'm still only sitting at a positive of 2. Okay, the last item in the premium box is from Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Natural Matte Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $38. I used this today. I have to tell you, I really like it. I really like it a lot. It's been a while since I've had all matte eyeshadows. I mean, I have my Naked Reloaded. Okay, so there are some similarities, fair enough, but there was enough differences that I did use it. Plus the packaging. I mean, Too Faced in their packaging is killing it. So also included in the packaging was this how-to glamour guide, which, you know, normally I just don't even look at these twice, but look in here. There's some cute eye looks. There's some really cute eye looks, so I decided to try to use one today. I chose Natural Beauty. I followed the directions over here on this side, and that's not at all what's going on in this eye, but I like what it did for me, and it worked really well with the eyeshadow primer from the other box. So I'm happy about this. The eyeshadows, they're not chalky, they go on nicely, they're pigmented, and they're good. They're good. It's a nice neutral palette, so if you're someone who, you know, is maybe not into bold colors or super warm tones or crazy tones, this is good. This is good. And I like how these lighter shades are in larger pans, because these are kind of the ones that you blow through a lot, especially if you're kind of doing these sorts of looks over and over. I like it. I like it. Would I have paid $38 for this? I mean, probably. Probably. So with this and the Tiger Grass Serum and this lip balm, that's worth the value of the box for me, for sure. The total value of everything that was included is $179 for only a $50-ish buy-in. That's pretty good. So let me add up just the items that I really liked. So the items that I really liked that were my favorite in the box. If I were to have bought them separately, paying retail, it would have cost me $78, and in this box I got them for $50. So that's a savings, even if I don't even consider these things. So my feelings about the premium box are a lot better than my feelings about that standard box. That standard box was not, it was not good. I don't love making videos that just kind of like shit all over products, because if I don't like something, I just don't really talk about it. But this is the battle video and there has to be a winner. There can only be one winner, and the winner is the premium box. So I feel like that was a really quick video, but you know, they don't always have to be like half an hour long. Let me know how you felt about what you got in your Boxycharm box this month and which box you think really was the winner. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments. If you don't know how to sign up for Boxycharm, there will be a link down in the description box. All of the products mentioned today will be listed in the description box down below. Just click show more and it will open up. It will have links for you to purchase or links for you to Google, whatever. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this one, then make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. I upload new videos here on YouTube every Thursday, and you can follow me on the other social channels. I think that's it for now. I will catch you next week in next week's video. Bye! Down into the costed, it would have beetroot. What's that? I don't know, why am I clapping? Oh no, my microphone's in the shot. This is the Naked Real